friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started.
Hello viewers, this is our fourth exercise and we will be modeling this one using Autodesk Fusion 360. And you can see here different views are available. This is the top view, this is front and this is side one. For modeling this one you can take any view, but it will be easier to start this modeling from side view. So we are planning to make this view and that will be extruded backside with an extrusion depth of 70 millimeter, right? So without wasting time, let us start our modeling. First of all, we need to create a new design and we can name this one as exercise 4 and that will be saved in a specific location by the name of Fusion. Let us save it. You can see the model is saved by the name of exercise 4 and it will be started from the side view. We can start sketching from here and you can select the side view. Let us view the drawing again. So we can see this is the side view. We need to draw this one and that to be extruded backside with a depth of 70 millimeter, right? So we need to start from here. It will be 40 by 40 and here thickness is 12.5 millimeter both side and it has to come down 20 millimeter, right? We're starting from lines. Start from this location. It will be 40. So write 40 and enter. Now we need to move off by 40 millimeter again. 40, enter. Now it will move left hand side with a distance of 12.5 millimeter. Enter. Now it will come down 20 millimeters. So write 20, enter. Again it will move left hand side by 15 millimeter. So write 15 and enter. Now it will move off by 20 millimeter again. 20, enter. Now we can join the left hand side and come down again. So this is our side view. This view is complete. Now we can finish the sketch and that to be extruded with a distance of 70 millimeter. So extrude and we can extrude this one by 70 millimeter. Enter. Right? Done. Let us see the drawing again. Now from top side you can see we need to cut a slot from this location to that location. So at the top view we need to draw this channel. You can start from top side again. From this location it has to move 30 millimeter in the right hand direction. You can select the top face and start sketching from here. Start with the line starting from any specific location and join these two and complete this drawing. Now you can put smart dimension to this one, that from this point to this point it will be 30 millimeter. Enter. Drawing is complete. Again from here to here this will be 40 millimeter. We can write this one. You can put smart dimension on this one, 40 millimeter. The sketch is complete. Now we need to cut this one to a specific depth. Let us see the drawing again. This cut will come down up to this one. That means we need to cut this one up to a depth of 30 millimeter, right? So extrude in the backward direction. Metal will be removed. So you can select the specific locations that we cut downward by 30 millimeter, right? You can change the direction from here and it will be cut by 30 millimeters downwards. Enter. It is cut already, right? Let us see the drawing again. This slot is made. Again we can start it from the top plane. This is 10 millimeter and again from here to here this is also 10 millimeter. We can see it, right? This is 10 millimeter and this is also 10 millimeter. So again we are starting from this plane. Select that plane and we need to start sketching from here, right? So let us start from here. Drawing is complete. Now we need to provide a smart dimension with this one. Let us start with dimensioning. From here to here it will be 10 millimeter. Write 10 and enter. Again this distance from here to here will be 10 again. So select a specific location and this distance will be 10. We can see here it has to move 5 millimeter upwards, right? Total height from the downward this position is 15. So it has to move 5 millimeter up, right? This distance from here to here will be 5 millimeter. So let us finish that sketch. Now extrude that to be extruded by 5 mm, and the extrusion depth we are providing 5 mm. Enter. Drawing is complete. Let us view this one in a better way. So our drawing is complete, right? Now to have a better view, you can change the appearance. Hit A, and when provide a metallic appearance, let us provide brush to this one. We are providing polish brush. Okay, done. So this is our model, right? This is a very simple model. We have started with the side view, and that was extruded to a depth of 70 mm. Then from the top view, we have cut this slot, and again we have drawn this part, this triangular shape on the top view, and that was extruded up to a depth of 5 mm, right? So this is all about our fourth exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.